Hi, today I'll be fixing a hole in this sun shower. The hole has been there for some time, so my grandparents couldn't use it. So I'm gonna fix it up for them. This is the hole, it's rather small. I was thinking of welding it with CO2, but there is a lot of wind and I don't have the wire that doesn't need gas. So I'm gonna try with electrode. I'm gonna try start right here and I'm gonna build up continuously. If it's not gonna work well, I'm gonna try using Texas stick, which means I'm gonna feed a clean electrode in so that it has enough material to weld. So let's get to it. So I'll be welding with Czech electrodes, Hamweld 7000, 2mm at 50 amps. So yeah, I welded it. The hardest part was when there was the hole still, so I had to feed in the electrode otherwise I welded it all around and all on top of it, so I was sure that it's fine. Played a little bit with it. I wanted to grind it down to make it look pretty, but Grandpa didn't want me to bullshit around with it, so I left it be. But it looks good. It should hold.